If you want to buy rocket, you have to buy from NASA. Otherwise, you have to buy from Russia. This was our old saying. Okay, boss, rockets are very costly. If you want to buy the rocket, if you require to use the rocket, compulsory you have to buy from NASA or Russia. Russia, these two, either NASA means America, America, NASA, from there only. So this is the any other private company can't build rockets. This is the question Elon Musk got. So why private companies are not building? Why the private companies are not build the rockets? Because it's very costly. Because it's very costly. That much budget? No. Okay. So there is a problem he identified. Okay. So cut that problem into small pieces. This is first thing. Okay. Of course, SpaceX, that case study one day I will explain. Don't worry. First get the basic idea. Next, the second thing, question, old beliefs. Old beliefs. Old beliefs. So just I told, don't accept the things. Don't accept the things. Don't accept the things just because everyone says everyone says so. Boss, everyone is saying that's why I'm following this. So that such type of things you require a question. This is the second step, friends. The third step, rebuild fresh. Rebuild fresh. Because whenever you are questioning why, then automatically you will find out some alternatives. Okay, you will find out some best possibilities. Then automatically, with that alternatives, with that best possibilities, okay, better to rebuild freshly. Better to rebuild freshly. This is build a new idea from the basics. Build a new idea from basics. From basics. So means first level principle. First level means what is the first principle means? What it means? So cut into fundamental parts. Very basic fundamental parts. For every part, so ask why is the reason, physics is the reason, or belief is the reason. If physics is the reason, accept. If belief is the reason, question and find is really that is scientifically true or not. If it is a no perfect answer, then what you can do? Ignore, ignore, and think for better solution or better opportunity, right? Better possibility. So now for all the basic fundamental things, some are old things, some are new things will come into the picture. Then automatically rebuild again with so those are new alternatives. This type of thinking is nothing but first principles of thinking. Of course, I will explain with example, then you will get much clarity. Now, what is the meaning of first principle? Now, everyone got the basic idea. What it means? Divide into smallest parts. For every part, you require to ask the questions. You require to ask why. Okay, if it is the physics, then don't touch because no one is going to change the physics. Okay, if it is not physics, if it is just old belief, then question that why compulsory we require to do that. Okay, like now, why this approach is very powerful. Of course, once I started examples, then you will come to know, right, why it is very powerful. Why it is very powerful approach. Okay, because SpaceX came. Next, what we call Tesla came. Next, and after that, tomorrow, the chip in our brain, that thing is also in testing stage. Very soon it's going to come. Very soon it's going to come. Next, like what we call out of box thinking. Out of box thinking. So bigger things, impossible things can make it possible with this type of thinking. Okay, why it is very powerful? you get you get new new simple and cheap cheap solutions, less cost solutions, right? Okay, you can invent you can invent not just not just repeat old ways, not just repeat old ways. You can invent okay, like sir, because once we are not following old style, old tradition means automatically new things, new innovations will come into the picture. Okay, next the third. Okay, so that's all. This is these are the why it's powerful means, the reason for that is these are the things. You can get a new simple cost effective solutions you can identify. Next, and after that, you can invent, not just repeat old ways. But we are habitized to repeat old ways. That is a bigger problem, I told, right? The three bigger problems with the human being: habit, blind following. Habit, blind following. Next, that is these two. Next, one more thing I explain: old belief system. Old belief system. Are my father did that, that's why I'm doing that. Okay, today you are doing, tomorrow your kid is doing. Are what is the scientific reason? Is there any scientific reason is there behind that or not? The basic truths we are not going to question. What will happen? Just repeat old systems, repeat old thing. My friend, just blindly follow. Okay, like that thinking you require to come out. Okay, like so. If you think like, sir, here just observe that, observe this line. If you think like everyone, everyone, you get results. You get results like everyone. You get results like everyone. Everyone. If you if you think from basics, if you think from basics, you create something new. You can create something new.